Hi, welcome to Zona Mechanica. There is a NATQ on principal stress. Figure at the margin indicates the weightage of the question, that is 2 marks. So this is a numerical answer type of question and the answer will be given in range. The range for this question is 8.4 to 8.5. Okay. The state of stress at a point is given by sigma x is equal to minus 6 MPa, sigma y is equal to 4 MPa, and tau xy, that is the shear stress, is minus 8 MPa. The question is the maximum tensile stress in MPa at the point is, well, suppose this is the point element, the sigma x, this is the x direction, okay, and sigma x is negative. This is the sigma x is equal to minus 6 and this is the y direction, so sigma y is equal to 4 MPa, okay, and this is tau xy, this is negative, tau xy is minus 8 MPa. Okay, so let us find out the principal stresses, that is sigma 1 comma 2 is equal to sigma x plus sigma y by 2 plus or minus root over of sigma x minus sigma y by 2 whole square plus tau xy whole square, right? So sigma x is minus 6 plus 4 by 2 plus or minus root over of minus 6 minus 4 by 2 whole square plus minus 8 square. Okay, so this is minus 1 plus or minus, this is 25 plus this is 64. So this is minus 1 and plus or minus, this will be 9.433. Okay, so clearly two principal stresses will come. If we consider negative sign, it will be minus 10.433, and if we consider positive sign over here, then it will come 8.433. okay, so this is negative sign, this is compressive in nature, and the positive sign, it is tensile in nature. It is tensile. So clearly our question is maximum tensile stress. So this is the maximum tensile stress, 8.433, and clearly it is within a range. Okay, so 8.4 to 8.5. So our answer is within the range. So this is a correct answer. Hope you have understood. If you are enjoying, please do share with your friends. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe it.